notice anything different about this piece of furniture? It might look like an ordinary piece of furniture, so what makes it different? Apart from giving the room a certain clean, minimalistic aesthetic value and being attached to the wall and being a shelf and writing desk, what else is different? Well, what really makes it different is that all your cables for all your electronic devices are hidden from view. All the cables are plugged out of sight within the shelf. The power, telephone, data and antenna cables that reach the shelf do so by means of a covered exterior canal. No more cleaning behind furniture to find unsightly dust and tangled cables, which you then have to move before being able to clean properly. It is also a great solution for people that suffer from dust-related allergies. The shelf is not only ideal for bedrooms and hotel rooms, it is also ideal as a centerpiece for sitting rooms. Make your room come to life. Making life simpler. NiuShelf by New Concept.